What is going on, everybody? This is your boy, Soul of a Man 504, representing Soul of a Man 504.com, your spiritual coach, as I guide you down the road of spirituality, because we all know it can be a very interesting road and it can feel like a very, very, very lonely journey. I'm also an author, speaker, and traveler, photographer, and all of that good stuff. So today's message is coming out of the spiritual closet. We're going to be talking about coming out of the spiritual closet, because when you come out as spiritual, or as a spiritual, or you start your spiritual journey, it can feel lonely. It can feel lonely. You feel like, it's exciting, it's scary, it's energetic. You're feeling all of these different energies, all of these different feelings, and a lot of you probably like, man, what the heck is going on? How am I going to be dealing with all of this stuff? I feel like I'm on my own. I don't want to be ostracized. I have all of these spiritual gifts. It's like you're entering into the dark mysteries. It's like you're entering into this chamber and you're becoming something brand new. It's like you're going down this journey and you feel like you're searching for something new. You're searching for a deeper meaning, a deeper perspective in life. You're trying to find out exactly where you fit in, because you feel like this square peg trying to fit into a round hole, so to speak. So that's how I was feeling, and I think that's how a lot of people feel. No matter how you're going down your spiritual journey. There's a lot of twists and turns. There's a lot of revelations going down the spiritual journey. Once things really just start to open up for you, you start seeing things in your dreams. Your perception in this reality. It becomes enhanced. Things don't taste the same. You don't perceive things as other people. You may, say things that are just weird, and people don't like to feel judged and ostracized, but there is a family, out there for you. Along your journey, you will meet, intricate people. Some people will be there for the long run. Some people will be there, just to help you along said journey. It's really going to help you to open your eyes, your third eye. A lot of things are going to be revealed to you. A lot of mysteries to life, your life, past life journeys, things that ancestors have went through. That's what I look at as far as past lives. I look at it as connections to the ancestors. That's how I view it. Other people may see it as being a little different. Another thing is that you're going to be going through, there's feminine and masculine energy, going into spirituality, but a lot of it seems to be dominated by, the feminine aspect, but the masculine aspect is there also. There's balance, there's harmony, and I think a lot of us, we try to find that harmony in it, no matter where you're gonna eventually run into your tribe. You're gonna be like, man, where were these people at all my life? So eventually you're gonna get there, but it is a journey. And like I said, it is its own unique fingerprint, so to speak. So it's nothing like it in the world. So it's just gonna be something uniquely tailored just for you. Like that. Like a prom dress or a nice tuxedo, or or something like that. You also may be getting into like rituals, candle burning, saging, using, just cleansing things, using Florida water, holy water, moon water, rain water, so, just different things like that. Just using it just to, you may get into water scrying, which is another way of, you may get into divination. You may using cards, oracle cards, tarot cards. You may not even need cards. Like one of the gifts I have, I don't need cards to see things for people, to speak things into people's lives, but you're going to get there, eventually. But the one thing we do all have is our innate intuition. Trust that intuition as you're going along your journey, because it's going to be helpful, and it's going to save you a lot of time and effort. And what you're going through is basically an initiation. This has been set up for you long before you got put into this world, before you were born. Soul ties and soul contracts, which I think I'll probably do a video on that later. But this is something, look at it as predestiny, precognition. But like I said, your third eye is really going to help you along your journey. It's going to feel like in the beginning like you're climbing a mountain until you get your wind, your, let's say, your spiritual wind with you, so you can just kind of move along in your purpose, in your destiny, in your journey, to move on the right track, to go where you're supposed to go, to boldly go where no one has gone before. And like I said, a lot of things, some people have gone through in different ways, astral projection, and just being able to speak things into existence, and just different rituals that people may do. It's there for you. It's a part of your lineage. It's a part of your history, and just don't be afraid of it. Don't be afraid of it. But this has been coming out of the spiritual closet, and those are some things that you're going to encounter going along your journey. But I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is your boy, Soul of a Man 504, representing soulofaman504.com. To book me, just inbox me, leave me a message down below. Again, don't forget to share and subscribe and all that good stuff. But as always, I'm out. This peace. Peace.